Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still think this is very likely impulsive down wave A. I still think this looks like 1, 2, 3 up, like it's already made a wave B, and I still think it is pretty likely to go down and make a wave C. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this move down as possibly a wave 1. I still think this right here could be a Kretzen wave 2, and I still think this is very likely to be going down for a 3, 4, 5 of wave C, just like I showed on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily. So on the daily, if this really is a wave 3, then it's actually more likely to just keep on making lower lows, lower highs, and then likely that we already have a 1, 2 in here someplace, and it's just going to keep on going down for a wave 3. Now, as we go down to the sort of time frames, we start to see something that definitely makes us think otherwise. But I am always more likely to believe what I see on the daily, weekly, and monthly, and those daily, weekly, and monthly time frames are telling me that the trend is down, and it may just keep on trending down. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, this is what I'm talking about, because this really looks like a downtrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks like impulsive up, like it could be a wave A. This looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down, like it could be a wave B, and that it possibly is now going to go up and make either a running flat wave C, which would make a lower high, or possibly an expanding flat wave C, which would possibly make a higher high. So it definitely looks like this is likely to happen on the 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. Whether or not it's really going to happen or not is the question, because the trend is down on the daily, weekly, and monthly. So what does that mean? That means that this could just go up, make an ABC Kretzen, make 3 waves up, make impulsive down, and just keep on trending down. So definitely be aware that it looks like it needs to make a wave C and go up back to these highs, but it may just make a small ABC right here and just keep on trending down once that ABC is complete. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, so what we need to do is if we see an uptrend like this, and then we see an impulsive down break of structure, we'll know that this is an ABC Kretzen, and we'll know that we need to get out of our longs and go short for the continuation of the downtrend. On the other hand, if it does continue to trend up, but it does not break structure, then most likely it's going up to make that big wave C of either an expanding flat or a running flat, just like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. I am definitely leaning more towards the idea that this is going to be just an ABC Kretzen, and that it will likely just go up and take these highs out and just continue the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.